guys, so let's get started. First, we're going to make our face mask. I'm using a Mehren practice head for this, and I'm going to coat it with Vaseline before we get into the liquid latex. So with this liquid latex, I just used a throwaway makeup sponge, and I did about 4 or 5 layers of this latex. And I didn't do the smoothest job, but it works for what we need. Now that I have my layers dried on my head, I'm going to start putting some foundation on and some powders. And basically, I just went through my entire face routine with contour, blush, and then I put some purple eyeshadow on and went in with liner, eyebrows, eyelashes, some highlight, and lips. And you can do this however you want to. Hopefully you would make your head not so Deadpool-esque with the scrapes and stuff on your face, but it works. Alright, so whenever you are taking your face mask off of your head, you need to make sure that you are starting out from the outside edges and working your way around and leaving the nose and eyes and mouth for the last part to pull off. And then there you go, there's a face mask for you. Now that I have my brows and my base on, I'm going to start mapping out where I want my alien features to be. And I'm using this teal and green aqua paint from Mehren and just mixing that together to get this cool teal color. All right, and you can see that I actually went down a little bit on my neck with that because we're going to need that later. I'm going to line the bottom of my eyes with a black liner before going in with the black aqua paint and filling in our eyes and our nostrils that we marked out earlier. Yeah, getting paint in your nose never feels good. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking some black eyeshadow and mark out some of the places that I want my alien folds to be. And I'm starting out with a very light layer of black and then going back in with a thicker brush and making those lines darker and deeper. Alright, just forget about the part around my mouth. I ended up taking it out because it looked like I was like a robot, not an alien. It's gonna go away. Alright, so after going in with some highlight, I'm using a small brush to add in some of the eye highlights to kind of bring the eyes out a little bit. And I also used a broken apart bobby pin to help get those circular forms. Now we're using the Ben Nye Scab Blood, and we're going to make the gash on our neck look more gruesome and gross, like some alien just ripped my face off. You know, that's what you want. Now with the Ben Nye ProsAide, I'm going to put that on my neck and on the back of my little skin flap that I made. Let it get almost clear and then it will stick to each other on my chest. Adding in a little bit more scab blood and some bruising, and then you're done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I know it's short and sweet, but I wanted to give you something scary and FX wise for this Area 51 bandwagon that everyone is jumping on lately, and I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on all social media platforms below, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye!